What is up, guys? How are you guys doing today? I am back here with another video of Technology Tech. Today we're going to be talking about the new iOS 14. Now there is so much new stuff that Apple did with the new iOS 14. Not just iOS 14, like Mac OS, iPad OS, Watch OS. It was a lot improved. But mainly we're going to talk about iOS, and I'm going to do different videos for each one of them, each iPad OS, all of that. But today we're just going to talk about iOS 14. There was new widgets. That is insane. The new widgets that came with iOS 14, it is insane. There are so many new widgets, so you can like customize your apps the way you want them. And your widgets, like the weather app, the widgets, you slide over and then they'll come out with the widgets where you don't have to actually go into the weather app and just show it right there. So that's really good widgets that Apple's doing. I even think they're way better than Android right now when it comes to widgets and new iOS and stuff like that. Now there also is some new picture-to-picture. So you know that Android they had this for years, but it don't even matter when Apple has it because it's going to come to all the iPhones, every iPhone that's iPhone 7 or up, or even the iPhone 6s or up. But there will be an update for iOS 14 this September. So just so you guys know, it will come out when the iPhone 12 come out. That's when the iOS 14 will be coming out. Now, picture to picture, you know this thing that they already have on Android. Well, if you're on YouTube, you swipe by the YouTube and the video will still play. The video come out and still play on the actual home screen and stuff. Now you can do that with Apple, but Apple did it better. So when you go out of the home screen, the video will still stay on the home screen, but then you can go into other apps in the video. You will still see what's playing on the video. You can actually still see the video. Then you can tap the X if you want to X out the video. That's actually a really cool feature, and I'm really happy that Apple added this. It's really nice, so props to Apple for doing really good. Now, one thing they didn't add, which I was hoping they would add, is multitasking. They did not add multitasking for iOS 14. Who knows, they may add it to another update. I really hope Apple adds multitasking, because that will be amazing on the iPhone. They also added this new feature called Car Key. So all y'all Android people, y'all cannot say anything. So the first car to ever get this new feature called Car Key was the 2021 BMW 5 Series. So basically what it is, you can use your iPhone, you punch in your passcode or your Face ID or something, then you can unlock your car using your iPhone. This will come up for an update with the iPhone 7 or up, or even the iPhone 6s or up. I'm not sure if Apple's trying to get the iPhone 6s to do another year of updates. Who knows? I heard it leaked. I don't know. But right now we're just going to say iPhone 7 and up. But yep, it's new feature car key, so that's really cool. But Apple was working with Tesla. I don't even know, because the way what's Tesla CEO thing? I forgot his name. But you know, Tesla CEO. I forgot his name, but yeah. Apparently Tesla CEO, he didn't really like all that stuff, so I guess Apple probably won't be working with Tesla anymore. I don't know, but they are gonna start working with some more brands. But I think Apple should have started off with cheaper cars like Honda, Toyota, Chevrolet, Kia, Hyundai. They just start with them mostly because most people cannot afford those more expensive BMWs and stuff. So I feel like Apple should have started working with like more cheaper cars, because most people buy Hondas, Toyotas, Kias, Hyundais, Fords, Chevrolets, the more cheaper options that are not luxury cars. Most people buy them. So I feel like if Apple wants to really get people into using this stuff, they need to get in more of the more non-luxury brands, like I just told you guys, like I just did. So those are just some new features of iOS 14. There was also some new animal emojis, like the punch sticker, the WAP sticker, whatever it is, and stuff. So you have some new animal emojis, so I'm really happy about seeing those. Cannot wait to see those, because you know how much I love animal emoji. And there's also some new meme emojis as well, so I really like that. Apple keeps adding more of those meme emojis. But overall, it was quite a lot good. Oh, there's another thing that's also new. So you know when you get a phone call on your iPhone, you'll be watching YouTube video, but it blocks the whole home screen to where you can't even see nothing anymore. You don't even have to worry about that no more. Because with iOS 14, when you get a phone call, it's just going to pop up like you're getting a notification. It's going to pop up right at the top, and you'll click answer or decline. It shows who's calling you, and there it is. So I'm really happy that Apple did that, because it was just so annoying when I'm watching YouTube video and to fill up the whole home screen. Another thing that's new updated, Apple also just redesigned Siri. So basically Siri, whenever you say hey Siri, oh thank God, whenever you say hey Siri, it won't actually fill up your whole home screen. It's just like when you're getting a phone call, but a little bit different. It'll show right at the bottom. So now when you're getting a phone call, you can say, hey Siri, and then it will not actually fill up the whole screen. It'll just show you like what's the weather, and it'll show the weather at the small little bar up top, like you get a notification. Say what's the time is it, it'll show up top. Say set a reminder, it'll show up top like a notification to show you that. It won't actually fill up the home screen no more. So that's basically Siri getting a redesign. So I'm really happy that Apple has redesigned Siri. Siri hasn't got the redesign since the iPhone X and 8, I believe, from 2017. So I'm really happy Apple has redesigned Siri. But there's quite a lot more new to iOS 14 that we're also going to get into another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I will try to answer them. See you guys in my next video that I post. Stay safe out there because this world is getting crazy.